Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to make a rotating fan with a paper. So we need a paper, scissors, some tape and a pen or anything on which that fan can rotate. So first we'll take the paper and fold it in half like this. And we have to fold it in half again like this. And then we'll fold it for the last time like this. And now when we open it, we should have 4 parts like this. And now we'll take the scissors and cut all the lines. So now we are left by 4 parts, 4 strips. Now we'll take 2 strips and we can see there are 2 flaps for this. So we'll take the other strip of paper and put the 2 flaps inside like this. See, both the flaps are in. And then we'll take the another strip and then put it like that, as the same how we did in the last one. We need only 3 pieces, so no need for the 4th one. And now for the tricky part, we have to take the last piece, both the flaps, and then we have to put it inside in the first one like this. And then we have to take out all the flaps and stretch it. And now we have to take some tape and then put it on all the 3 flaps, means from where they are coming out. Make sure it is stretched and then put the pen or anything below it. And then if you have a ceiling fan, just switch on the ceiling fan and put it under it. Then you can grease it like this so that it is nice. I have made another one and that one goes in another direction, which is in the right. So you can try like that also. Now I have switched on the ceiling fan. Now we'll see how it works. It is below the ceiling fan now. See how it's rotating. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment on this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.